Cleo and Chime both help users manage money, but they approach short-term cash access differently, with Cleo focused on financial tools, and Chime offering features through its banking platform. By the end, you'll know how Cleo and Chime compare as alternatives for short-term money access, what each service offers, and which option may fit your needs better. The main difference is the type of financial service you are using. Cleo is a financial app that focuses on money management tools and may offer cash advance features for eligible users. Chime is a digital banking platform that includes banking features and access options connected to its accounts. Cleo is designed for users who want help understanding and managing their finances. The app uses tools that help users track money habits and manage their financial activity through a mobile experience. Chime works differently because it combines banking services with features available through its account system. Users manage their money through Chime's app and may have access to additional account features depending on their eligibility. When comparing a SpotMe alternative, the first thing to check is what type of access you need. If you want a money management app with cash access features, compare what Cleo provides. If you want a banking account with built-in features, compare Chime's available options. The user experience is also different. Cleo is built around financial guidance and money management, while Chime is built around digital banking. The better choice depends on whether you need financial tools, banking services, or both. Eligibility matters with both services. Available features can depend on your account, status, qualifications, and other requirements. Check the details shown inside each app before relying on any cash access feature. Cost is another factor to compare. Review any membership fees, account costs, or requirements connected to the features you plan to use. A service that works well for one person may not be the right fit for another person's budget. Before choosing between Cleo and Chime, compare the exact feature you need, instead of only comparing brand names. Look at access options, account requirements, and how each app fits into your regular money routine. To summarize, Cleo focuses on financial management tools and cash access features, while Chime focuses on digital banking with additional money tools. Choose based on whether you need a financial assistant experience or a banking platform. Check the current terms before making a decision. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons.